Alright, part 2 of the Nexus 6 64GB unboxing. Alright, so when I turn this thing on, when I press this button, the power button, I believe, has this icon thingy. I think it's charging. Well, it is. Well, alright, let's try to open the screen protector thingy. Let's see if there's any scratches on it. It is a refurbished item. Let's see. So far, no scratches at all. I can't tell. No scratches at all. Breed, you guys did a good job. Can't tell if it's old or used or anything. It's like brand new. Alright, maybe I'll do a following video, to so far I'll make a follow video how good this phone is in 2008. So far so good. I can't tell, so yeah. It looks brand new, so I can't tell it's refurbished at all. No dents or anything. It's just dust particles on it. Looks brand new. What is this? Yeah, so far so good. Oh, it's restarting. Oh, it's working right now. Alright. Oh. It's almost 6-inch fold. Oh, it's starting. Alright, let's see if it works. It's $209 for a refurbished phone with no scratches on it. Certified refurbished. It's almost brand new looking. So is it still worth it in 2018 to be so far so good? Yeah, I can't even tell it as a used item. All right, next. Skip. I'm using it as a tablet. I'm not using it as a phone, so no. Skip. Alright. So far so good. So yeah, I'll do a follow-up video on this, on the setup and everything. So yeah. So far it works. So yeah. Alright.